Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best product reviews and recommendations. In today's video, we're going to talk about the Amdro Quick Kill Mosquito Bombs 6-pack. If you're looking for a highly effective way to eliminate mosquitoes inside your home, these could be the solution you've been searching for. These mosquito bombs are some of the best on the market for targeting those pesky insects that seem to appear out of nowhere. So, what makes Amdro Quick Kill Mosquito Bombs stand out from the competition? First, these bombs are designed to target mosquito larvae in standing water, which is where mosquitoes breed. The active ingredients start releasing immediately when they come into contact with water, offering a quick and proactive solution. The beauty of these bombs is that they're not just a temporary fix. Each one provides up to 64 days of protection. That means you can enjoy a mosquito-free environment for over 2 months. Without having to constantly reapply. Using these mosquito bombs is incredibly easy. You just drop them into any standing water you have around the house. Think flower pots, bird baths, or water features, and let them do the work. There's no need for complex setups or toxic sprays that can leave residue behind. The bombs are a convenient, hassle-free way to prevent mosquitoes from growing into the biting adults that plague your space. The effectiveness of Amdro Quick Kill Mosquito Bombs goes beyond just eliminating larvae. By preventing these larvae from maturing into full-grown mosquitoes, you're stopping them before they even have a chance to start breeding. This is a proactive approach to pest control, which is much more efficient than trying to deal with a full-blown mosquito problem later on. What sets these bombs apart is their long-lasting protection. In addition to the 64 days of defense, they're also resistant to rain, which means they won't wash away easily. This makes them perfect for both outdoor and indoor use, providing a versatile option for all your mosquito control needs. Whether you're dealing with mosquitoes inside your home or in your backyard, these bombs are up to the task. So, if you're tired of battling mosquitoes inside and outside your home, give Amdro Quick Kill Mosquito Bombs a try. With their easy-to-use format, long-lasting protection, and powerful mosquito-killing formula, they're one of the best products for keeping your space mosquito-free. Make sure to check them out, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to Product Critique for more helpful reviews.